So here's the problem with the stop sign. Right now it works like it should. The lights aren't flashing, it wants to go back in, but when you turn the lights on, the stop sign won't deploy. Now if you pull it out now, it won't fight you until you turn the red lights off. It closes as it should. I was shopping at the junkyard and I got a separate control unit for the stop sign. It has some relays on here, and this is the actual control unit. And we'll kind of see more how this works, but it has little micro switches in here. Kind of tell the stop sign when to go out or when to stay in when it has power sent to it. So go ahead and tear this apart. Alright, so the first thing it did was disconnect power to the stop sign, and I found that over here on this little chart. We got the stop bar in the front, which is on circuit breaker 3. There's those 5 circuit breakers, numbered weird-like, I guess. Anyway, I found that to be this one here and disconnected the power to it. So anytime you do anything electrical, you should just go ahead and disconnect the batteries. So now I can get started and the stop sign will stay out. First thing that needs to come off is this whole cover, and it's held on by a screw right there, and one right there too. Somebody sealed this thing up pretty good, so that'll be fun to pull this thing out. Alright, so a little bit about how this works. Again, this is the unit I got from the junkyard. There's a little cam right here. This is what the cam looks like. And that spins when the stop sign goes out. And with these switches, that kind of tells it when to stop and go, depending on if the stop sign has power or not. So I'm going to go ahead first and see if these relays are the problem and just swap those out. But I really think that it's this thing with the micro switches, so that'll reset too. Alright, so here's a pretty good illustration of the stop switches. And when you open up, you can see the top switch got pushed down. And then when we open it up, you see that the bottom switch there gets pushed in when it comes out. So that would be the stop one that tells it, hey, the stop sign's all the way out, quit going out anymore. So Alright, so the final verdict was just this. Just a bad relay.